Hello students, today we will discuss the decimal parts of chapter 2, that is fractions and decimals. Okay, I have written there a number that is 358.4126, 358 decimal 4126. You will not read this one, 4126. Okay, so you have studied in the last classes also, class 6 and class 5. Before decimals, these are the ones place, this one is tens place, this one is hundred place. Okay, hundreds place. Now after decimal, what you have to write, this is tenth place. Okay, this one is hundredth place. Hundredth place. Now this two is thousandth place. Okay, and this one is 10,000th place. Okay, now what is 10th place? The meaning of 10th place is 1 by 10. The meaning of 100th place is 1 by 100. The meaning of the 1000th place is 1 by 1000. And the meaning of the 10,000th place is 1 by 10,000. Understood everyone? Now comes to this one, all of you know about this. What is ones? This is 1. What is tens? This is 10. What is 100? This is 100. Now in the 1000 you will write 1,000, 10,000, 1, 0, 0, 4 times 0. Okay, so these are the number system of the decimals. Okay, now we are having two things. One is face value and second is place value. Second is place value. Okay, now if we discussed about one by one, if I write here 3, so what will be the face value and the place value? Face value means face, जो सामने आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, means what is the face value of the 3? The face value of the 3 is 3 only. And what is the place value? Place value means this one, that is 100. The place value is hundreds. Okay, now if we discuss about, if I write here, what will be the face value and place value of 4? So what will be the face value? Face value will be 4 only. And what will be the place value? 4 is coming on 10th place. So you will write 10th place. Okay, and if they ask about you about the 2, so what you will write here? The face value will be face, जो आपको दिख रहा है. And what is the place value? Place value is simply, you can say, that is thousandth place. Understood everyone? Now we have discussed about 10th place, hundreds, thousand and the 10,000, and lakh will come 10 lakh. Okay, now what we have to do in the decimal, 1 by 10, how many zeros are there? 1 only. So 1 by 10 is written there, so you will take the decimal after 1 place. That means 1 decimal 0, you will write 0 only. And comes to the next, that is 1 by 100, means how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there, so decimal will come after 2 places. So take 1 by 1, 1, now no number is there, so you will take 0, 0, decimal, this one. Okay, and if some examples are there, if I write here 27 divided by 100, so what you will write here? 27 by 100, so you will take decimal after 2 place, so it will be 7, 2, now 2 places complete, 0.27. Understood everyone? Now comes to the 1000 place, decimal will come after 3 places. This is 1, 2, 3, decimal, and this is after 4 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, this 0. Okay, if I take some examples regarding this, if I write here 327 divide by 100, Now after two place, how many zeros are there? Two zeros are there. So decimal will come after two places. You will write ones place. You will start, okay. Then you will write 3.27. You will take numbers from the last, okay. Now comes to the next. If you take the number like you can write anything, 1053 divided by 1000. So what will be the answer here? You will take three digits, 1, 2, 3, decimal 1. So 1.053. So you will not read the 1.53. You will read 1.53. Now we will discuss about the expanded form. Now what is the expanded form? Simple, that we have discussed earlier also. See what is the expanded form. Before decimal you have to take ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. After decimal you have to take tenth place, hundredth place and thousandth place. Okay, what is the expanded form here? Simply you will write the numbers and you will write ones place, tens place, hundreds place. This is tenth place, this is hundredth place, okay, and this is thousandth place. Now we have to write down the numbers. Now what I will write here, 5 into 100 means 100 plus 2 is at tens place. Tens place means multiply by 10. Now this is ones place, that means 7 multiply by 1. After decimal, now decimal comes plus sign. 3 tenth. 3 tenth means 1 by 10. We have just discussed earlier. Okay, plus 0 hundredth. 0 into hundredth means 1 by 100. Then plus 6 into thousandth means 1 by 1000. Okay, simple things are there. If you write like this only, what will be the answer of this? 10.0542. Now this is the number. So what you will write here? You will write, this is the ones place, tens place, 1 into 10 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into, this is tenth place, 0 into 1 by 10 plus this is hundredth place, 5 into 1 by 100. This is thousandth place, you will write 1 by 1000, and next one is 2 into me, this is 10,000th place, so you will write 2 into 1 by 10,000. So this is known as the expanded form, when you write the numbers along with their place value. When you are writing the number along with the face value, when you add each number, you will get, you can simply calculate. When you add every number, so it will be 10. When you multiply 0 into 1, 0. Okay, this is also 0. This is after two decimal place, 1, 2, 0.05 plus this is 1, 2, 3, 4 or 0. Okay, and this is 0.0002. So if you have to write down in the decimal, then you will write like this. Okay, so when you add all the numbers, so you will get 10.0542. Okay, I hope you understand the concept of the decimals. So this is the basics of decimal. So in the class, what we have discussed normally the place values, face values and the expanded form. Okay, now in the next class we will discuss about the conversion of the different parameters, the rupees, kilograms, meters, centimeters. Okay.